guys. Ayan, nandito kami sa bilihan ng halaman. Kasama kasi mahal. Ayan. Nakabili na ako dati ng 2 sacks ng lupa. And then we need to buy a lot more. Another 2 packs. Ayan. Hanap tayo ng kamatis. That's for the plant. Oh, we have a lot of like this in the Philippines. This is also a good mahal plant. Pero ayoko yan. Gusto ko kamatis. Good.
We don't need that now. It's when the sun is coming.
Yeah. Oh, this is cheap. 49.
Or
49. Oh, this is more cheaper. It's 8 liter.
this is it's different soils.
Different. So it's the same. It's soil.
We can try this. We have different soils. It's okay.
Ayan, nakabili na kami. Nakabili na tayo ng lupa dito sa Sweden. Now I'm telling to them that we already buy land or soil in Sweden. Not land, soil. Oh, we have like this.
Yeah.
But this one we don't have. Ito oh. Yeah.
It should be like it should be warmer outside because it's too hot. If you bring it, it could freeze.
Come on, let's go on that side.
So,
Ito, dito man. Ah, dito. Ito oh. Maganda to na. Ito oh. Saan may kasama ko? Yan, ito mo, parang maganda rin. Sling? Itong dito tayo. Oh, diba? Ang dami. Wala pa silang wala pa sila yung mga halangan na pwede sa amin. Ay, eto naalala ko. Dito namin binili yung cactus. Yan. Remember yung cactus na pinagmamalaki ko sa inyo? Dito namin binili. Ayun. Aloe vera ba to? Ito yung tingin tayo ng paso. Paso.
what do you think of this? How big is the?
This one is big.
Yeah, but how big is the pot I have at home?
Ay.
It's not like that big.
Mahal, don't ask me again. You're asking me and then you're not listening. Suntokan kita dyan. Oh, may buko din sila guys. Oh. Tingnan mo naman gaano kamahal. Oh, 599. Naghahanap ako ng aloe vera. Hindi ko alam kung aloe vera ba to. Ba't kakaiba? Pero familiar din ng to, diba? Iyan. Family din ng aloe vera. Dito tayo. Iniwan ko na itong aking kasama. Ito na yung hinahanap ko. Yung cactus. Ay. Ito na. Mahal. Gusto kong bumili nito. Kasi ito. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Gusto ko to. Aalagaan ko to. aloe vera. Kasi palalabungin ko to. Diba? Alagaan ko to. As, mahal. Ganda guys, ang dami oh. I'm looking for this aloe vera that can cure my hair loss.
You don't kill that one. It should be, you use it for medical.
No, I know how to use it. But I don't know how much is this.
I don't know.
I like this one. I will take care of it. And what's this? You know that have like mint. This one.
Yeah, that's for
Copy. So yun. Dito lang tayo.